Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today's project calls for removing a door panel off of a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First step, take a little pick tool and go in the door pocket. There's a little plastic piece that uncovers a 7mm bolt. You'll want to remove that one 7mm bolt and then work your way up to a plastic piece that sits behind the door handle. Pull the door handle back and use that same pick tool and remove that plastic piece. That plastic piece will expose one 10mm bolt and one screw. Remove both of those, and your next step, you'll want to use a body trim removal tool or some type of pry bar tool and remove that door panel. The door panel is held down by a certain number of various clips. So to get that door panel off, I always like to start at the bottom. Sometimes doors will have a small little opening where you can insert your tool, so start at the bottom. Sometimes door panels are a little tricky to remove. Just take your time with it, go slow. And once you work your way up to both sides, when I unclipped the very last clip, the door panel was free and wanted to fall. Hopefully this video helped you out and you found value in it. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. Go on over to the channel and check out my other auto body paint videos. I also have a 86 Grand Wagoneer project going on the channel. So go on over and check it out. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.